Heavy rain pours outside the window, but the woman relaxes inside her self-made camper, spending a rainy day alone in the wilderness. That day, Xiao Mei drove an off-road vehicle towing a camper into a dense forest. She parked the car and detached the camper, then lowered the support stands. The camper instantly became stable. She unfolded the side awnings. The small space expanded right away. She turned on the lights inside and set the air conditioner to 16 degrees Celsius, very comfortable even in summer. Next, she extended the camper's roof structure, stretching it into a little mobile castle. A cozy atmosphere like home. Xiao Mei placed a board in the middle and spread a soft, comfortable blanket. Now she could carry the dog. Waiting in the car into the camper, she prepared food and water for him to accompany her while filming. For that, Xiao Mei even prepared an inflatable toy cockroach, which made the dog very happy. The other side of the space was for Xiao Mei. She laid out a bouncy airbed and covered it with a soft blanket. A small bedroom was instantly ready. She also set up a wash station for convenience. But the sky that was clear moments ago suddenly turned stormy. The hot weather instantly cooled down. Xiao Mei leaned comfortably inside the camper. The dog rested while the camper was arranged, but the rain outside grew heavier. Xiao Mei put on a raincoat and went to the trailer to take out camping gear. The rain poured down. She hung a rainproof tarp at the entrance, fixed it into the ground with poles and tightened it with ropes. The shelter became firm and stable. The entrance looked safe and neat. Luckily, the heavy rain soon stopped, but busy setting up, Xiao Mei was soaked through. She opened the window. Mist curled around the mountains. The forest after rain was refreshing. She went back inside, drank a beverage, and spread mustard and ketchup on hot dogs. At the same time, she dried herself with a hairdryer. Evening approached. She lay in the camper to rest. Though it was hot and humid outside, inside was cool and pleasant. As the rain stopped, Xiao Mei brought out the stove, put in charcoal and lit it with a torch. The fire burned strongly. She connected the chimney pipe and the fireplace was ready. Sometimes she had to clear the water on top. Xiao Mei then kneaded dough, sprinkled cheese and tomato sauce, and baked it in the fireplace oven. After a while, a homemade pizza was ready. She cooked pasta with sauce and had pizza and pasta for dinner. Truly cozy and delightful. After eating, she brewed iced coffee with the machine inside and enjoyed it in the camper. Hard to believe it was a rainy day in the forest. Truly very pleasant. Late at night, she turned off the lights and turned on the projector, using the tent fabric above as a screen. Projected a movie. Xiao Mei lay in the camper, watching quietly through the night. She crawled into her warm, cozy bed and fell asleep early. The next morning, Xiao Mei turned on the lights. Outside, drizzle was still falling. She began preparing breakfast inside, cooking delicious Korean-style spicy rice and enjoyed it in the camper. After finishing the meal, Xiao Mei decided to pack up while the weather was fine. She folded the tent structures,